Which pair is better? Black cement Jordan 3 or white cement Jordan 3? We're gonna do 5 tests to find out which one of these pairs is actually better. We're gonna start off with the sniff test. We're gonna do the shoebox test, the shoelace test, an overall quality test, and a resale test. Whichever pair gets more W's on the test is the best Jordan 3. And if you want a chance to win either one of these pairs for free, hit that subscribe button, comment done, and you might win them. Alright, starting off with the sniff test. Let's give both of these a sniff. See which one smells better. I gave it an 8 out of 10. It's a little old, so the new shoe smell wore off. Let's try the black cement. Nah, I gotta give that one a 9. I gotta give the black cement Jordan 3 a 9 on the sniff test. Ding, ding, ding! Black cement 3, W on the sniff test. White cement 3, not so much. Next up, we got the shoebox test. Let's see which one of these shoeboxes is actually better. For starters, one of them comes beat up already, so I don't think I like this one. This one actually looks brand new like it's supposed to. I don't know why this box looks worn down already, but I don't know. This one may not get a point. Overall box test, I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10, and I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10 because it's beat up. This happens to be the box for the black cements. Black cements, 2 points. White cements, 0. The white cements are really gonna have to wow me with the other 3 challenges if they want to come back and win this. Next up, we have the shoelace test. Now, this is gonna go off multiple factors. For one, I want to know, does the pair come with an extra set of laces? Doesn't seem like the black cements do, and it doesn't seem like the white cements do either. Next up, we want to see how well do the laces actually go with the shoe. Now, we got the all black laces covering a gray tongue with a red Jumpman to offset it, and here we have white laces with a white tongue with a white shoe. I think I'm gonna have to go white laces. If you know me, I actually have a white car, and white and beige are my favorite color. Who knows, the reimagined white cement 3 might actually make a comeback. Black cements 2, white cement 1. Next up, this one's gonna get a little scary for the black cement. There have been dozens of photos online of people who have received their black cement Jordan 3 with terrible quality issues. And guess what? My pair actually has quality issues as well. It might not be major, but take a close look right here, and you're gonna see a little white gash in the leather. Here, that's not a big deal, but when you buy a brand new pair, you want it to be brand new. And if you come over to the left shoe, you're gonna see a line in the paint on the midsole. Again, that's nothing major, but you want the pair to be perfect when you're paying upwards of $200 for it. Now, I would say the black cement Jordan 3 fails the quality check from me. I wouldn't let this pair out of the factory. Let's take a closer look at the white cement Jordan 3 and see if its quality holds up to par. It's looking pretty good. I'm not seeing any major marks on it. Looks like we might have a little ding right here. Oh, and it came off. That could have been from me. We do have glue stains here on the white cement Jordan 3. Other than that, this pair is perfect all around. There aren't any big lines on the paint. There are no huge lines on the leather. So I'm gonna say overall, the white cement Jordan 3 takes the cake for the quality check. I just realized that puts us at a tie. This is actually getting crazy. I thought it was gonna be very easy to decide which one's better. This last challenge decides everything. The resale test. We're gonna try to sell these pairs and see which one we can get the most amount of money for, pretending that we paid retail for both of them. Say I want to sell this pair right now. Let's check the size. We have a size 8.5 white cement Jordan 3. Let's go on StockX, eBay, and GOAT and see what we can get for this pair. We're looking at an average of about $300 for the reimagined white cement Jordan 3 in size 8.5. At a retail of $210, $90 profit is not bad. But hold on, not so fast. Let's see what type of profit we can get on the black cement Jordan 3 size 13. Now, this is a much better size. However, this shoe released much more recently than the white cement Jordan 3. And you know shoes go up over time. As we pop over and check out the black cement Jordan 3, it's only sitting at around $220 right now. Last sale was actually $224. With an increased retail of $220, that leaves almost no room for profit. Sad to say, but the black cement Jordan 3 takes an L on the resale challenge. With the white cement yielding $90 profit only a year after its release. $90 is not a bad profit on one pair of shoes. Bam! We got the white cement Jordan 3 taking the cake with 3 points, and the black cement very close with 2 points. If only the quality was better. Seems like Nike has increased their retail price but decreased the quality checks. I don't think that's fair if you ask me. Nonetheless, these are both really dope shoes, and I think they're both gonna go up in value over time. People love Jordan 3s, and white cement and black cement are the two best colorways. The main difference between these two pairs is that the black cement Jordan 3 is much lower quality. It seems like they didn't really care as much. And the white cement is actually reimagined, so it has a beige midsole, a beige back tab, as opposed to the black cement having a crispy white midsole. This pair is meant to look aged. That's why the box looks like this, if you didn't know already. Right, like this guy's a nut in the beginning. Don't roast me in the comments. This is just my opinion. I think the white cement takes the cake. And if you want to get the best sneaker bag out, go to creasecards.com and use my code RQC50, and you're gonna save 50% off on the best sneaker bags out. You can use them to travel and not crease your shoes. Alright everyone, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check this one out. And please hit that subscribe button and get me to 20K so I can give a pair of these away to you guys. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!